Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best car bumper protector is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any vehicle owner looking to maintain their car's pristine condition and resale value, acting as a crucial first line of defense against the inevitable minor scrapes, scuffs, and impacts that occur during daily driving, parking, and loading or unloading cargo, thereby saving you from costly repairs and unsightly damage that can detract from your vehicle's overall aesthetic appeal and long-term worth. Number 5. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. Tired of dull, oxidized metal? This powerful polish cleans, restores, and protects all your metal surfaces, bringing back a brilliant shine. Watch as it quickly eliminates tarnish, rust, and oxidation. It reveals a smooth, reflective surface, making your metal look like new again. Enjoy a durable protective seal that resists future oxidation and grime. Keep your metal looking its best for longer. Perfect for automotive, motorcycle, and marine metal parts like wheels, trim, and exhaust tips. It's also great for household fixtures and hardware. Achieve a high-gloss shine with easy application. Simply apply with a microfiber or foam applicator, work it in, and buff to perfection. From chrome and aluminum to stainless steel and brass, this restorer brings back the original luster. It's the ultimate solution for all your metal polishing needs. What we like. This product offers a brilliant shine for all your metal surfaces. It effectively removes tarnish and oxidation, leaving a smooth, reflective finish. If you're looking to restore and protect chrome, aluminum, or stainless steel on your car, motorcycle, or even household items, this is the perfect choice for a like-new appearance. What people say. It removed the surface rust on my polished aluminum wheels. This product made a 56-year-old piece of plastic look new, not just to me but random observers. Heavy metal was easy to apply and I did not mask the plastic but also did not try to get it on plastic either. It did not make a mess of the plastic which saved me a ton of work. Number 4. Garage Wall Protector 4-Pack Car Door Protector. Tired of frustrating chips and dents on your car doors? Our protectors effectively guard your vehicle against bumps and scratches, safeguarding your door, bumper, and bodywork. With an impressive 0.79-inch thickness, these protectors offer superior defense. They are designed to last up to 5 years, providing comprehensive protection against moderate impacts. Crafted from eco-friendly EVA foam with strong adhesive backing, our protectors are durable and simple to clean. They adhere easily to most smooth surfaces like plaster, wood, metal, and concrete. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing paper and stick them onto your garage wall. The 4 included strips are perfect for both sides of your car, offering DIY flexibility for various shapes and sizes. These anti-scratch strips are ideal for parking spaces, warehouses, and protecting pipes. They prevent vehicle collisions and can be removed without damaging the protector or leaving marks on your wall. What we like. With its impressive thickness, this protector offers superior cushioning against moderate impacts. It's made from durable, eco-friendly foam with strong adhesive backing for easy installation on most smooth surfaces. If you need robust protection for your garage walls and car doors against bumps and scratches, especially in tight parking spaces, this is an excellent option. What people say. These bumper guards come in a pack of 6 and are easy to install, making them a convenient solution for anyone who wants to keep their garage looking new and damage-free. The quality of these bumper guards is impressive. They are made of high-quality materials that feel durable and sturdy, and I can tell that they will last for years to come. Since I installed them, I no longer worry about my car doors accidentally hitting the garage wall or the door. The guards provide ample protection, ensuring that my garage walls and doors are completely protected. Number 3. Anti-Collision Bumper Guard Protector Clear Strips. Introducing our Anti-Collision Bumper Guard Protector. These clear strips offer superior protection for your furniture, cabinets, and car doors. Featuring a built-in shock cushion, it effectively reduces impact and provides strong resilience. This ensures better protection for your car body and cabinet doors. Made from high-quality PVC, it resists yellowing and deformation from sun and wind. It can withstand both high and low temperatures, maintaining its color and style. Its waterproof design ensures it stays put, even when washing your car. The non-marking adhesive tapes can be used repeatedly on various surfaces. Simply clean the surface, peel off the adhesive, and paste. For best results, allow 24 hours before use and gently warm with a hairdryer in cold weather. These guards are perfect for car doors, handles, rear-view mirrors, refrigerators, and cabinets. Get comprehensive protection wherever you need it. What we like. Featuring built-in airbag cushioning, this protector significantly reduces shock impact, safeguarding your car body and other surfaces. It's made from high-quality PVC that resists yellowing and deformation, even under varying temperatures. If you desire a discreet, reusable, and effective solution for protecting car doors, furniture, or cabinets from collisions, this transparent option is ideal. What people say. It's clear so it doesn't take away from my beautiful granite countertops. Additionally, he says backing has stayed on for these past few months and it doesn't move or budge, which is perfect. They serve the purpose perfectly. They are thick and soft, and although I have moved the pad multiple times to find the perfect location, they have continued to stick. Stick great. Match my car's color nearly perfectly. They do their intended job. Number 2. 1797 Car Door Protector for BMW. Introducing the 1797 Car Door Protector, designed specifically for your BMW. Keep your doors safe from scratches and bumps with this essential accessory. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, these edge guards offer a sleek and cool look. They provide excellent protection while enhancing your vehicle's appearance. This 4-piece kit includes 2 sizes, 5.51 inches x 0.79 inches and 2.95 inches x 0.71 inches, for a perfect fit. Application is simple, ensuring your car is protected in no time. Made with a strong back adhesive and a clear epoxy surface, these protectors are waterproof and built to last. They are sturdy enough to withstand daily use. Make your vehicle stand out from the crowd. These protectors offer both great practicality and ornamental value, adding a unique touch to your car. For optimal adhesion, especially in colder weather, we recommend heating the adhesive with a hairdryer for 3 to 4 seconds before application. This ensures a secure and lasting fit. What we like. This option provides a stylish carbon fiber aesthetic while protecting your vehicle's doors and other cars from scratches. It's made from high-quality, waterproof, and sturdy materials with a strong back adhesive. If you want to add a cool, custom look to your vehicle while gaining practical protection against door dings, this is a great choice. What people say. Stick very strong, even I did bring my car washed many times still on it. And easy to install. Work really well to protect his doors and the car next to him. Additionally, and surprisingly, they have stayed on during many car washes. It supports climate conditions and car wash. Number 1. 8 packs anti-collision car bumper guard strips, white. Introducing our 8-pack anti-collision car bumper guard strips in white. These are designed to provide superior protection for your vehicle. Crafted from high-quality PVC soft rubber, these guards are built for long-term use. They effectively protect your car without damaging the paint. Effectively shield your car doors and bumpers from impacts and scratches. Prevent damage in tight parking spaces and garages. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the surface, peel off the 3M sticker, apply, and press firmly for about 60 seconds. For best results, avoid contact with water and refrain from repositioning the guards within 24 hours after application. Each package includes 4 bumper anti-collision strips and 4 door anti-collision strips, offering comprehensive protection. What we like. Crafted from soft PVC rubber, this protector offers a beautiful and generous look while effectively absorbing impacts and preventing scratches. It's designed to protect your car doors and bumpers without damaging the paint. If you frequently park in narrow spaces and need a reliable, long-lasting solution to guard against scrapes and minor collisions, this universal bumper and door guard is highly recommended. What people say. Great on anti-collision assistance with protection of surface paint protection. Sturdy. The bumpers are flexible and have strong tape for attaching the product. For big, for small, just enough to place on passenger and driver doors, handles and side mirrors. Item looks great and was easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.